at a house where they had water damage everywhere just because they're on this hill and a lot of water just runs straight down the hill into the cracks of the foundation of their housing. It's pretty unbelievable. She didn't even know where it was coming from or what was going on. Show you some of the laminate that bubbled. It just comes right up. Put my moisture meter to that, and the concrete's 100% saturated, and so is the laminate flooring. And you can tell there's gonna be mold and water damage behind there. I already ran my moisture meter through here. The walls were wet, basically like 3 feet up. And then it came through here too. Get the light on. There we go. Yeah. See, her contractor tried to patch this and said it's sealed. They had a water heater break and flood into here, but this whole area and wall is wet. I don't think they did a very good job sealing. All wet back there. You can see some of the stucco right there just coming right off and bubbling because it's so wet. Carpet has a little bit of moisture. These walls are drying a little bit. But yeah, it even goes back here. And this inside the closet. I don't know if you can see it's soaking wet back there. And to me, that's where the water intrusion's coming from. There's a little space. But I don't know, it's coming from the top patio too. It's soaking wet right there. All the way across, you can see dirt and mold coming through. All this was measured at like 100% saturation. 85–90% humidity in here. Saturated all the way down to there. I mean, you can tell. You rub my finger on it, it's wet. It's peeling apart right there. And her upstairs is having the same issue. See what I can do and show you. Turn off this light. But I mean, look at the floor, it's completely bubbled up. Which totally sucks, but yeah, not fun. Let's get this door. Look at the view. Definitely a beautiful view. I was on this hill and it just runs down this hill. Major causes for seeing her house goes all the way up there. Water heater issue up there. See, and this whole compartment, water heater compartment, was just rebuilt and supposedly waterproofed, even though you can tell right there it's not waterproofed. They just threw some paint on it. You can even see the damage that was right there. And I'm sure all the water's flowing in right in through there. Right past the drain pipe. Lock this up. Coming in through here. There's moisture issues throughout the whole house, but the lower you get, the worse it is. And she hired handymen that don't have a license and just did the job the best they could, so that's the results you get with unexperienced employees and workers. But yeah, with the crack in the foundation. There, they tried to patch the water there. But it's just no bueno. Look, they tried to patch it all the way up. It's just not gonna do it. Just gonna have to get him back here to patch it. It just runs right down there, cracks all through the cement and foundation. There was a whole music room that was completely soaked. I've got pictures of that, but I mean, like, look at this hill. Water just rushes down it when it's raining, hurricane time. Go look at the other room real quick. Should pull out my moisture meter, but the damage is obvious, so it's not much of a point. I extracted this. She had a dehumidifier going, but it's been weeks to months. And you can see it all coming through back there. Bubbling up. Bubble, 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 bubble. Mold, 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 mold. All the way down. And this has climbed all the way up to here. Looks like they try to patch it somehow. See, it's wet all the way to right there. They're doing some kind of patchwork right there. It's wet over there. I mean, it's a beautiful room. Definitely moist. I extracted everything I could out of it. But yeah, that's this house. My next water damage job. Mold remediation. It's gonna be a fun time. Have a good day. Black Diamond Cleaning. 808-226-5811.